Well, this equation is somebody made a mistake. Right, so you're in the lab, somebody made a mistake, and they put 2 here, and they shouldn't have. So you got the minus there, so you are on the right track. So you just want to like, oh, let's just, and then if you notice that we do our inventory right, it happens, people sometimes make mistakes. And you can see you have 2 hydrogens, right? 2 hydrogens, carbon, carbon, your 3 oxygens. See that? See if you can do the next one though. Yeah, see the potassium? Very good, Cody. Potassiums are not balanced, so what you gonna do?
Do we move over here? Or?
No, you're gonna have to add another one. So you box it in. Yeah. Add another one. And then you're gonna draw a line and you're gonna add them all up. Nope, don't forget the coefficient. There you go. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, do that. Yes, you have to write the whole thing because that's the ingredient. And you can't change the ingredients. Like, you know, KFC, 11 herbs and spices. Nope, you can't do 3. You've changed the ingredient. Like, that is not the same thing. It has to be the same. So add another one. No, you have 3 right over there, so you have to have 3 here, so you have to add another AgL. AgCl. Yes. Alright, so your CLs are balanced, you see that? Now let's look at our AGs. Are the AGs balanced? No, so let's fix that. You're going to write 3 because there's 3 of them. Make sense? AG and O3.
You should just back up and let him hit the back of the car. Yeah, there's literally insurance will never blame one person in front. Yeah, they never blame one person in front.
No, you're just following the same thing, just like this one right here. It's just like that. No, that's right, because you have 3 of them, right? So you have to have the 3 there. So it's NO3, just like you see the 3 there.
Esters as well as water or reactions with organic acid. In the reaction, the OH measure of the carbon.
Okay, go ahead. So you can see that it is on fire there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
So weird. How do you put it out then?
You use the aluminum thing here. Smothers it.
Oh. Is it like this little plating?
Okay, add 3 ml of galactic acid. 2 ml of ethanol in the test tube. We have to put 2. No, wait.
What if it boils over?
We have to add 3.
Then my hands die.
Well, that's why you have the clamp.
Am I supposed to smell it now?
No, keep it. Keep going.
Mix.
That's good. You're rolling over there. Be careful though. Shoot out of that test tube. Kill you. What's it smell like? Smell. What's it smell? What does it smell like?
Deadly. That hurt.
What does it smell like? I don't want to smell it.
Like pineapple.
That burnt my nose.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. Like vinegar.
Vinegar? Okay.
So what color is it? I thought you weren't supposed to like smell it like straight in.
You're supposed to wait for 2 years.
He just went.
Oh god, it smells like vinegar.
It smells like vinegar, but kind of sweet at the same time. I don't know. How did it burn?
Yeah, it just went straight up my nose.
That's what happened.
It smells worse than something.
So
It's the color of it.
you are heating
Have you
the.
ever tried drinking vinegar? It's absolutely terrible.
Garrett, what does health return here?
Yeah, you're trying to find ethyl acetate.
Seneca, what's happening?
You can go ahead and cover it so you have more to use in a few minutes.
What is that?
Yeah.
No, it's not out.
Because
No, it's not out.
the stick. So what does it smell like, Eliza?
It said pear drop.
Pear drops. Did you smell the pear drops?
No, it smelled like nail polish.
Right. Pear drops are not one of the things I usually go around smelling. I like sweet pears though. They're good.
They did not smell like pears.
They smell like pear drops.
Did not smell like pears. It all got stuck right there.
I would use a little distilled water.
It's all solid liquid.
Bubbles.
Bubbles. Yeah. You know what's funny? It's dead.
It's dead.
It's dead.
Um.
I'm done making one inside.
There, don't let boil over. Okay, excellent job. So you do have it balanced here, but see, the problem is that you always simplify it to the simplest whole number. So you have basically 2, 2, 2. What happened? Somebody made a mistake and put a 2 here. They weren't paying attention.
Okay, that's
you know what I'm saying.
That's what
so
threw me off.
What it's gonna be is 1, 1, 1. But you got it right. You got 2, 2, 2. But so you did figure it out. But you have to understand. You have to simplify it. And also, people make mistakes. Be aware of that when you go in labs. Nice job.
It's clear today outside. No clouds, no nothing. I don't know why he looks up and he's like, flash.
No, it'll be more like a
Is it the Roman numerals?
Parentheses. Yeah.
how's life?
Exactly. Perfect. Excellent. Nice job. No, look.
Makeup.
No, there's no 3 there. There's 1 right there. That's 1. 1, 2, 3. Is it 3?
Burn?
Light it.
Oh.
See that? Fire there. Fire shot. You got 2, 2, and 2.
Oh,
right, so right, so we have to simplify this. The problem is somebody made a mistake in the lab, put a 2 there. So we got to simplify that. Whenever it's 2, 2, 2, you got to take it down to 1, 1, 1. So you're just going to subtract these, right? And now it's balanced. People make mistakes. So you always want to simplify it to make sure. Now check it again. You got 2 hydrogens, carbon, carbon, 2, 3, 3. See that? See that? Now draw the line, add it up. This is the work, right? So some people can do it without showing the work, but it's good to show your work. I always show my work because measure twice, cut once. Even I make mistakes. I know y'all think I'm perfect. It's hard to see that it's actually lit. But it's on fire there. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, you.
It's already lit.
Oh, so just leave it like that?
Yeah, it's hard to tell that it's lit, but if you take like a wood splint,
Okay.
it should begin to ignite.
Yeah. Okay. So hold it over there.
See, it's catching on fire. It's pretty cool. But you're looking at that, I mean, it doesn't look like it's on fire. That's what makes them kind of dangerous if you've ever seen the... You can.
Am I doing this right?
Yes, it's perfect. Excellent.
Wait, what? I'm actually doing something right?
Yeah, it is correct. 100%. Good job.
That never happened in this class.
Oh, that's not true. I'm getting you on video right now doing it by yourself. Can you see me? No, put your goggles on.
Where do I go? Do I go low?
On top.
Like that?
Yeah, it doesn't look like it does it. You need a hatch.
It's Sonic the Man.
It's lit, dude. So you can see that. You can see someone.
Hey. That's pretty nice, though.
Next up. So you see you have 3 of those?
Yes.
And 3 of those. Wonderful. Same thing, can't change anything. So you're just showing your work.